everybody. I'm gonna do a Hot Wheels car wash, and it's gonna be real good, and it's gonna be real fun. So let me just turn the camera. Okay, wait a second. Here it is. This is the car wash, and let me just sit down real quick. Just a sec. So here it is. This. So let's go take a look at my cars. So see, this is my Hot Wheels thing, and then I'm gonna carry it up, right here. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna close it right there. And we're gonna open it. See? And these are all the cars I have. So let's take one. So this is how it works. So you line them up right here, then you put it right there, then you do that, put it on these, then you do this. Then it goes for the water, then over here it dries. And then we go up, all the way up here, and then there's a mirror right here. See the mirror? And then you can put it right there. Put the car down here and there. So if you want to buy it, you can. It's at toysrus.com. Well, see ya later. Bye bye.